It is 4 in the morning. It's February 10th. 4 in the morning, and me and Xavier both have the hiccups. I'm gonna send this to Elena. She's asleep. But it's a really funny thing. I'll show you Xavier's hiccup. And Daddy's hiccup. I can't get rid of it. I think it was a sausage we ate. How bad? Sausages. I'll make the Xavier face. Here we are. I had mine since last night. They will not go away. Somebody help us, please. Oh, Xavier's also pushing something, going to the bathroom, so I'll let the man be in peace. Alright, bud? You want off camera? Bye. We'll talk to you later.